Hey there, food lovers! Today I'm going to show you how to whip up a delicious Indonesian classic Nasi Goreng. This fried rice dish is a perfect balance of sweet and spicy, and trust me, you'll want to make it every day. First, we need to marinate some chicken thighs in sweet dark soy sauce, also known as kecap manis. This ingredient is key for that rich, caramelized flavor. Let it soak in all that goodness while we prep the rest. Next, chop up some onions, chilies, yes, seeds and all for that kick, and garlic. Now heat up some oil in your wok and toss those aromatics in. Stir fry until your kitchen smells like heaven. Time to add our marinated chicken. Sear it until it's nicely browned. Don't forget the shrimp paste. I know it has a strong scent, but it's packed with umami that will elevate your dish. Stir it in until it dissolves. Now add your day-old rice. Why day-old? Because it's drier and absorbs all the flavors better. Stir fry until the rice is well coated and everything's combined. Toss in a sprinkle of sugar to balance the flavors. And just like that, you're ready to serve. Garnish with fresh cucumber, tomato, a dollop of sambal oelek, a fried egg, and crispy fried shallots. There you have it, a plate of irresistible nasi goreng. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how your nasi goreng turned out. Happy cooking!